Hello friends! Welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a power hour video, which I haven't done in a really long time. So I thought I would just share with you me cleaning up my very messy kitchen. It's so very messy. Yeah, it's like a complete disaster. So yeah, we're gonna look at the time here and we're just gonna get started on cleaning. So this is the time. It is 11:07 p.m. Yes, this is an after dark power hour. I just want to get my kitchen cleaned up before I go to bed tonight. So yeah, this is an after dark power hour video. So we're going to take an hour to hurry and get everything cleaned and well, try to get everything cleaned. I should be able to get everything cleaned. So let's hurry and go get that done, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, all the fun stuff. And yeah, let's just get on into the power hour.
Every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill a dragon for me. I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you are the one. And I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. 'Cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you are the one. And I can't wait to see you
guys. It is, oh, I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. I don't know if you can see that, but it's 11:51. So we did it. We did it under an hour. Yay. I'm so excited. I got all the kitchen clean, the dining room, and the living room straightened up. I feel better now that everything is nice and clean and a little more put together. I mean, it's not like, you know, super clean or anything, but it is better than it was. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this power hour video, and thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!